To use Multilingual V2 for global localization in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and going to the AI voice generator inside the AI toolkit. This tool allows you to create professional voiceovers in multiple languages, making it ideal for adapting content to global audiences. Once inside the voice generator, click Create New Voiceover to begin. The first important step is selecting the voice model. From the available options, choose 11 Multilingual V2. This model is designed specifically for multilingual speech generation, allowing you to produce voiceovers in different languages and accents while maintaining natural tone and clarity. After selecting the model, choose your target language or accent depending on your audience. This step is important for localization because it ensures that pronunciation, rhythm, and delivery match the region you are targeting. Next, paste your script into the text input box. For best results in global localization, make sure your script is clear and written in a neutral style. Avoid slang or region-specific phrases unless they are intentional, because multilingual models interpret language structure differently across regions. Once your script is ready, you can adjust additional settings such as tone, speed, and emotional style if these options are available. For professional localization, a neutral and consistent tone usually works best, especially for corporate, educational, or marketing content. After configuring everything, click Generate Voiceover. The AI will process your script using the Multilingual V2 model and produce a localized voice output in your selected language. When the voiceover is ready, preview it carefully. Pay attention to pronunciation, pacing, and natural flow, since different languages may slightly change the rhythm of the delivery. If something doesn't sound correct, you can refine the script or adjust language settings and generate again. Once you're satisfied, download the final audio file. You can then use it across different regional versions of your video, allowing you to distribute the same content globally with localized voiceovers. And that's how you use Multilingual V2 for global localization in Artlist AI. Select the model, choose your language, enter your script, generate the voiceover, and refine until your audio is ready for international audiences.